any building project, there is going to be mess, dirt. I know when I did my flat, we had to protect the carpet going up the communal stairs. And I'm here with David from Trimaco. He's going to tell me a little bit about some innovation in the market and how you can protect your flooring.
Well, we're generally surface protection, so heavy-duty surface protection, dust containment, and there are a lot of different items that go into that, from lightweight, light foot traffic to scissor lifts and forklifts. Then there's dust-free, frictionless material that's also fire retardant, like our Aqua Shield. Then we have just regular foot traffic materials made of paper and things like that. Then we get into dust containment with poles and polyethylene films that we manufacture. And anyway, so this is our first show here, and we've been distributing here for a long time, but this is the first time we've been engaging the contractors, and it's been lively and a lot of fun.
Brilliant. So how have you found the show so far and met lots of good people?
Lots of good people, whether it's the merchants or whether the contractors themselves. They're all thirsting for information. They're happy to talk to us, and we get a lot of interaction with them and ideas from them. And it's it's been a great show. We've been very, very pleased.
Oh, that's brilliant to hear. And I know as I was sort of on my way to your stand, I found sort of dirt trapper. Is that something that you want to show us?
Well, sure. So as people are walking across here, they'll make that sound right there. And so they look back and you can see all the dirt there. So it gives you an idea, as you were talking about your communal staircase with carpet on it, this is the kind of material that comes into your household. This takes it off your foot, and you can see how dirty it is, so it makes the point immediately. So when people walk across and you hear this, well, not that horn, but yeah, you hear that, they turn around and then they see it and they get it. So yeah. So anyway, it's just one of the gimmicks that we have, and just what we're really doing is trying to lead them into the booth and talk to them about heavy-duty surface protection, whether it's a curing wood floor that has yet to be stained or curing concrete that's yet to be finished. When the electricians and the HVAC people come in, they're bringing ladders, hammers, and whatnot, and you have to protect the floor because that's the last thing being done. So whether it's a granite countertop or a floor, travertine, you name it, this is our space. It's what we do.
I think you've made a really good point there, actually. So I know in the past on developments that I've worked on, the flooring would go in and, you might spend a lot on beautiful wood flooring, and yet still other trades need to work around that. So you need to protect that really quite expensive flooring.
It's very expensive and it's hard to repair. Then you get into other situations where you have a movable clientele, like a hospital or a convalescent home or a school, for instance, where you have to bring in fire retardant film, or if you're doing a data mine, like we've done the Google data mines, the Apple data mines, where a lot of electronic equipment, where it has to be dust-free, and that's where our dust-free materials come in, and it just goes over the gamut, but protecting the surface and the environment around the job site is what we're all about.
So if you are on a job and you need to protect those services, then I think David at Trimaco is the person to come and see today.
Well, that'd be great.
Thank you, David. It was really nice to meet you.
Absolutely.